In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a contact list in the Freshsales suite. Let's dive right in and make sure you have all the steps you need to efficiently manage your contacts. Start by opening your browser and searching for Freshsales. Once you've landed on the Freshsales homepage, go ahead and log in. Now, logging in is your gateway to accessing all your contacts and making the most of the Freshsales suite. Remember, applying a contact list can mean segmenting your contacts to create targeted marketing campaigns, or simply organizing them for a better overview. Once you're logged in, head to the Contacts module. This is where all the fun begins, as you'll be creating a view or list of your preferred contacts. Look around for an option to create a new list or view. This could be a button labeled Create View, or a similar option from a drop-down menu. This feature is essential, allowing you to either create a custom list within Freshsales for precise targeting or to export it for use externally. Next, you'll want to narrow down your contacts using filters. This is where you can get specific about who's in your list. You can apply filters based on criteria like assigned owner, contact status, lead source, or any custom fields you've set up. This step is crucial for honing in on the exact group of contacts you want to include. With your filtered contacts in hand, decide on the fields you want to display in your list view. This ensures that the most important information is readily accessible whenever you glance at your list. Think of it as tailoring the view to fit your workflow perfectly. Once you've fine-tuned your filters and chosen your fields, it's time to save your new list. Give it a descriptive name, something that instantly reminds you of its purpose, like high-value prospects or leads from recent event. Hit save, and just like that, you've created a custom contact list that you can access anytime from your Contacts section. If your intent is to use this contact list in another application or for a more sophisticated campaign, exporting it might be your next step. To export your list, click on the gear icon, or the Settings menu, which is usually found on the left-hand side. From there, select Account Settings, and on the right side of the screen, you'll find the option to Export Data. Click on this to start the export process. Simply follow the instructions provided to choose the specific data you wish to export, including your contacts. By following these steps, you're not just creating a contact list, but efficiently managing and utilizing your contacts within Freshsales for a myriad of purposes. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!